Guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at WeBe Autos. Today we have a 1957 Ford Fairlane 500 convertible. Beautiful car with the current owner for,
He's had it since 92.
1992. It's finished in teal and white. Always garage kept. This car was
all the paint codes.
All the paint codes. Love of his life, right, Joe?
Yep, it was the love of his life. Had put a lot of everything there. Fixed up a lot of new parts. And the car runs unbelievable.
I mean, we got tons of receipts you guys could check out on the main website.
Right, we have all the papers on it, on all the stuff that's been replaced. The people that replaced it, all the shops that worked on it.
Wow. He's owned it since 1992.
Yep.
Wow. Correct fishtail tips. Continental Kit. Nice straight body, huh, Joe?
Gorgeous car.
Used to bring it to all the shows and everything.
Oh yeah, he took trophies and everything. A lot of trophies with it.
Love the color, so fitting, you know.
You want to start it there?
Yeah, fire it up. Got the parade boot. The top is also brand new. It's a cloth top. Joe just got right in and started up, didn't even touch the gas. We don't know if it's a 292 or not. Could be a 292 or a...
It's either a 292 or a 312.
312, yeah. Continental Kit really shows well on this car. Can you pop the hood? Super stock. So he was into like very stock OEM parts, right? They just put a brand new battery in it. It also has a custom stereo. Amplifiers in the trunk. Power brakes, power steering. Doors open, beautiful. Very nice fitment of all the panels. Power top works great. Showing 43,637 miles. I'll take you guys for a ride. It's got a custom stereo in here. Pioneer. Amplifier and speakers under the seat. Horn works. Clock is right twice a day. Power top works great. Got a nice sound to it, huh?
Yeah. Don't miss a beat.
Very particular guy he was, huh?
Anything good, right away it got repaired.
Yep. Wow. Please buzz it around the block?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go. extra large garage for this one.
I'll drive to Beta.
Man, cruiser. Whew, brakes work good.
Oh,
You
yeah.
gotta get used to that.
Right.
Got great sound to it, almost like it has glass backs or something.
Too wide, beautiful.
Such timeless styling in this car, you know? Well, guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from WeBe Autos. Feel free to give us a shout. We're at 631-339-0399. You can also check us out online. It's webeautos.com. And thanks a lot for showing us the car, Joe. We really appreciate your help.